With millions of users actively using the platform every day, Instagram has become a powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike to increase their reach and gain more followers and make more money. Growing your Instagram following and selling it on marketplaces can be a time-consuming and daunting task, especially if you don't have the right tools and strategies in place. Thankfully, with the advancement of technology, we now have access to powerful tools that can make growing your Instagram following easier and more efficient. For example, just take a look at this Instagram account which has racked up 1.1 million followers by posting art alone. Or maybe this art account that posts hyper-realistic AI paintings with 1 million followers. You may be wondering how these astonishing pieces of art were created. You'd be even more surprised to know that these accounts are making insane amounts of money just by selling their accounts or through affiliate marketing. Whichever route you take, you're sure to make a lot of money. So allow me to show you how to blow up your Instagram account. Ready to tap into the hottest trends in your niche? Just fire up that search bar and type in your niche, let's say photography, for a treasure trove of inspiration. Who's ruling the Instagram game in your field? Which accounts are making waves with their usernames and posts? Take a peek and let the creative sparks fly what you will need when you generate AI images. But wait, there's more! Photography accounts are one of the best performing Instagram accounts. You can also advertise your account as an AI artist who loves to generate intricate and unique AI art. But I would suggest you go with a landscape photography account. If you need more ideas, you can always ask our AI friend, ChatGPT, for some popular Instagram account niches. Remember, the search bar is your gateway to success. So tell me, what's your niche? What gets your creative juices flowing? Enter those keywords and watch the Instagram world unfold before your eyes. Who knows what wonders await as you explore usernames and posts that align with your vision? Once you have decided on a niche, set up a new Instagram account. Go to ChatGPT and ask for a unique and exciting Instagram username. Make sure to keep it simple yet memorable. Next, ask ChatGPT for an engaging Instagram bio. The suggestions you get may sound too robotic, so just use them as inspiration and come up with something based on the suggestion and your research. For the profile picture and posts, we will use Playground AI. As I always say, this is one of the best image generators in the market and even better than Midjourney. It's completely free with no credit or point system like other AIs and provides various unique features like background removal, upscaling, in-painting, and various image dimensions. Firstly, you need to set up an account on the Playground to be able to use it. After you successfully set up your account, you will be directed to the home page where you can find all the images created by other platform users. From here, you can search for specific images on the community feed. For example, I typed in realistic landscapes, and I got all the landscape art generated. If you like anything, you can click on it, and it will show you the setting used to generate the image. The best part is you can copy the prompt from here and then use it for your images. If you want to build up on the image, you can download it and then use the image-to-image feature. To start generating, click on Create. These are filters. Basically, these are the style of your image. I chose Realistic Vision 2 because I want my images to look like human photography. This is where you can type your prompt. I wanted to generate images of Sweden's landscape in a serene sunset, so I typed that in the box and clicked on Generate. Playground gave me these absolutely stunning images in a few seconds. Let's say I don't want the image to include mountains, so I can use the Exclude Image option to give a negative prompt. I turned it on and typed mountains. These were the results. As you can see, none of the images have mountains in them. Below the negative prompt, we have image to image, which I previously mentioned. By clicking on the plus sign, you can upload any image you like. Next, when you generate, the new images will be based on the one you uploaded. Let me show you through an example. These are the AI models. Playground provides you with 4 different models, so you can keep changing until you like the results. Below the models are the image dimensions. There are 6 for you to choose from. This is prompt guidance, which means how true to your prompt the AI should stay. If you go too high on the scale, the image quality can decrease. So stay between 7 to 10 because any lower would generate an image unrelated to the prompt. Scrolling down a bit, we find the number of images generated for each click. Usually, 4 is a good choice because it gives you a huge variety for each session. In case you like an image but want it to be a little different, you can hover your cursor over the image and click on this logo. It will create variations of the image for you. With the help of all these features, you can generate as many images as you want, like different landmarks, the 7 wonders of the world, the stunning sunrise, and so much more. Also, don't forget to generate a good profile picture. Once you have enough posts, you can start uploading them on Instagram regularly. For captions, you can use ChatGPT, just tell it your post theme and ask for engaging captions. However, the thing that plays the most crucial part in your account going viral is the hashtags or tags for short. It can be tough to determine which tags are doing good and which aren't. So to make it easier for you, I found the perfect free tool. Through tagsfinder.com, you can find the perfect tags to help your reach. Just type in your base keywords like Sweden or landscape or photography, and use any tag that may be relevant to your post. However, if you overdo anything, it's counterproductive, so avoid meaningless tags. Other ways to grow your account are through regular interaction. Add stories, reply to every comment and DM, and follow other accounts are just some ways to build a reputation and thus increase your following. All in all, provide quality content with exceptional interactions. Sure, I lectured you about how to get your Instagram get the traction it needs. But what now? Well, it's pretty simple. Think of your account as a product, and naturally, when a product exists, so do buyers. From here on out, just go over to a website like Instasale or Socialtradia and make a listing for your account. These sites will help you sell off your account at a pretty good price. Just take a look at some of the accounts being sold, and you'll get an idea of the value of yours. This art account selling AI-made NFTs with 17,000 followers is valuing itself at $350 on Socialtradia. Or this account with nearly 200,000 followers that's being sold on Instasale for $1,800. You get the idea, but that's not where it ends. You can use your account either as a product or a tool. Having a social media platform is the most effective method to earn money through affiliate marketing, and it's even simpler than selling your account. The very first thing you'll need to do is head over to this website and choose a product according to the niche you've selected. In this case, we're going for an art niche, so let's look for products like paints, brushes, and palettes. You can also click this button here to sort by items that have the highest sales. Keep in mind that Digistr usually only sells e-products like audiobooks, so we'll make sure we have e-products related to art. Next, get the affiliate link for the product you've chosen. On the right-hand side, you'll see a commission percentage, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's the amount from the total cost that you'll be earning. After this, just head over to a URL shortening site like Bitly and shorten your affiliate link. And lastly, just paste this link into your account bio. Now your only task is to get as many possible clicks on that link as possible, and in the best case scenario, have people buy it. For this, pump out lots of content that you think can connect with viewers. Whether that's very aesthetic posts, reels, or stories, just make sure you're actively trying to convince people through whatever medium you choose. The best way to approach this is to think of your audience as a close buddy or friend. From now on, just be consistent and watch the magic happen. Congratulations! You're now well on your way to a successful Instagram account that'll definitely get a steady income. A little pro tip as we end this video, take a genuine interest in what you put out on your profile, and the entire process will be 10x itself. Now before we end, let's quickly recap what we need to do. Use Playground AI to generate art. Start posting on your Instagram. Either sell your account or start affiliate marketing. Enjoy the profit. And last but not least, step 5. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see the best and most simple side hustles there are. And comment down below if you have any queries. Until then, see ya.